Today, we're tapping on one of the most powerful concepts from the teachings of Abraham Hicks, the vortex. And if you're not familiar with that term, here's the simplest way I can describe it. The vortex is that state where everything feels right, where you feel genuinely good for no specific reason, where you're vibrating at a frequency that makes wonderful things almost magnetically drawn to you, where ideas flow, opportunities appear, and even the people around you seem to show up differently. Most people visit that state occasionally and then drift back out of it. Today, we're using tapping to anchor you there, not as a temporary feeling, but as a place you learn to return to so consistently that it starts to become your home frequency. And here's what makes this session a little different. We're not focusing on what's wrong. We're not clearing heavy blocks today. We're doing something equally powerful. We're amplifying what's right. We're using tapping to build momentum in the best possible direction, stacking good feeling on top of good feeling until the vortex isn't something you're reaching for, it's something you're standing in. Now close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, think about what it feels like when everything is just flowing, when you feel genuinely, effortlessly good, when life feels light and full of possibility, and you're just in it, present, open, alive. Maybe you felt that on a perfect morning, or in the middle of doing something you love, or just randomly for no reason at all. Let yourself touch that feeling right now. Let it start small if it needs to. Just find even the tiniest thread of genuine good feeling in your body and let it grow. That thread right there is the entrance to the vortex. And that's where we're going today. So take a breath in and open your eyes. So if you're new to tapping, just tap or I tap and say what I say. So start at the side of the hand and taking responsibility for your own well-being as always. Let's tap. I choose to be in the vortex. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. I choose to genuinely, powerfully, I choose to feel genuinely, powerfully good. And I deserve to feel that way. I choose to be in the vortex. And I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself and everyone else because that's easy to do from in here. I choose to be in the vortex. I choose to feel really good. I deserve to feel this good. I'm allowing myself to feel great right now. Vibrating at a high level. Attracting all kinds of wonderful things. Just by feeling this good. I'm allowing myself into the vortex. I'm in the vortex. And it feels incredible. Everything is flowing. Everything feels right. I feel so good right now. And the better I feel, the more good I attract. And the more I attract, the better I feel. This is a beautiful equation. I'm staying in the vortex. I'm choosing to stay here because this is where everything I want lives. This is where ideas flow. This is where opportunities appear. This is where miracles happen. Man, I feel good. I love being in the vortex. I deserve to feel this good. And the more I acknowledge that, the more I allow myself to stay here. The more I stay here, the better I feel. And the better I help others feel too. Just by being in this state, I am contributing something real to the world. My high vibration ripples outward, and that feels incredible, which puts me even deeper into the vortex. I love this. I'm allowing myself to be fully in the vortex, right here, right now. I am vibrating high. I am feeling great. I am open to wonderful things flowing to me from every direction, expected and unexpected. I am in the vortex, and I am staying here because this is my natural home frequency. I am in the vortex, in my body, in my mind, and in my soul. Everything is flowing. Everything is working. I feel so good. And I'm allowing even more of that right now. Close your eyes, breathe in slowly, hold it, and let it go. With your eyes still closed, notice how your body feels right now. That lightness, that aliveness, that quiet hum of genuine good feeling that doesn't need a reason. That's the vortex, and you're in it right now. Let yourself let yourself stay here for just a moment longer. Let it become familiar. Let your body memorize this feeling so it becomes easier to return to. Because every time you come back here, every time you choose to feel this good on purpose, you're not just doing something nice for yourself, you're raising the energy of everything around you. And the world could use exactly that. Take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. The more consistently you choose to return to this state, the more natural it becomes. And the more natural it becomes, the less effort it takes to stay there. This is what Abraham Hicks means when they say everything you want is in the vortex. The ideas, the money, the relationships, the opportunities, they're all vibrating at this frequency. And the only thing that ever kept them from showing up was the gap between where they were and where you were vibrating. Today, you close that gap. Keep coming back to this one. Use it every morning. Use it whenever you feel yourself drifting because the vortex is always there. And now you know how to find your way back. Make sure you drink a glass of water after tapping, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.